What a go on here, sir? Uh, well, reactions from Jamaicans of seeing Babsy Grange at a spiritual ceremony has taken
Watching
people
Deep
aback.
Roots TV.
Rasta transportation, you know. Rasta transportation
Yeah,
to
Deep
the
Roots
world.
TV, you know.
Tell
I
the
check my
little boys
YouTube,
and
Deep
girls.
Roots TV.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
See
Yeah,
there.
man. See real roots, them, man. The real roots.
Greetings, yeah, and salutations. Yeah. All of the Jamaicans, them worldwide right now. You know it's your favorite Jamaican, it's Rastafari Soldier, yeah, of Deep Roots TV. And the people them a talk about Babsy Grange right now. So I want you to subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel and build up the Rastaman panel, people. Let me know where you think about this. Because Jamaicans are reacting to Babsy Grange and her spiritual endeavors right about before the election, and newly surfaced video along accompanied with pictures showing that Minister Babsy Grange at what seems to be some kind of revival church igniting controversy. The content sparked public speculation about whether Jamaican Labour Party is seeking spiritual aid in beating the opposition during the upcoming local election. If a gozo, she a try gozo. Grange's spiritual endeavor, which include a candle lighting ceremony, are shown in the video. Many have speculations that the Minister of Culture and Entertainment, dibbling and dabbling and dashing in Obia, are as known as Guzu. The controversial picture showed table adorned with numerous of green and white candle, as well as various fruits and food items. Grange is featured in two photos. One where she appears to be lighting a candle, presumably illuminating the others, and others where she is in a picture holding a melting lit candle. The response on social media sends many Instagram users flooded Monday post assuming that some other IG user dismissed. Comments from viewers consisted disgraceful, this no look good, and someone else say that's why Obia is illegal in a Jamaica because only them alone can practice it. Someone also joked about Grange being valiant anti. So a science. One of the comments shut down the speculation about the Ministry of Foreign and Culture. Say, I know Obia, it's Revival Church, not Obia. So please seek to inform yourself before jumping to conclusion. Meanwhile, on the social media, you know, separate people videos surfacing showing more science from the night of Grange's spiritual activity. Show her and other member inside of a church dancing. Nobody ramp with the thing because Babsy a do everything to keep our members of parliament in the local gubernatorial position. Nobody play with Babsy. Anything is anything. So what if she a guzu? So what if she a valiant auntie? Babsy know what it takes. Babsy knows what it takes, what it takes, what it takes, what it takes. Science! You think I know them a do it? Them mix up and wrap up out a door with no sheet. From Missy, the pastor down at the cold church, the way in do, me know what a guan, pan what a guan. Jamaicans are reacting to the Minister of Culture, Gender, and Guzunes. Science, because of our spiritual public display, said the Obia boy them they a dance. Nobody go on like you tell her a lie. It look like one Christian woman sit down there and vex. Everybody a rock. Look there. Fling your shoulder. Fling your shoulder. Look there. Look there. Look there. What? Water pumpy. Water pumpy. Water pumpy. Yo, no matter move too jumpy. And what me I tell you no say, Babsy know what it takes to win. Gozo win is not a sin. So uno can't stop the PMP. Now whatever party she in, I may not even know. A green and a white. Yeah. Or JLP or whatever. Me so politics dumb in a Jamaica. Me not even know. But the people them say a gozo, them a gozo up before. You understand? Or the JLP. Me not even know which one. But leave your comment, family, and make me know if the IG users them correct. And correct me in the comment there. Okay, JLP. Because the PNP are the orange one. JLP are the green. Listen, I'm not going to win. Because right now, Jamaica full of sin. Subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. Me I say what? Fill up the Rastaman panel. Olivia Grange out there flinging the last science before he done. Yeah, she a run a thing right now. So, it no matter make no sense PNP run. JLP gone dance in a church. The Obia man a mash up his works. See the Babsy gone gozo down the place. She gone a church gone beat it down. The Obia boy them a dance like them a beat drum. Nobody thinks that PNP can win this one. JLP done beat them to the Obia man now. Lash. It's a weeping and a lashing. Beat and teeth. Beat and teeth. Beat and teeth. Yo, beat and teeth. See there? Babsy gang beat and teeth. The Obia man and Obia woman a dance. A guzo them a guzo the PNP. JLP win again. Me I tell you, look upon him. Yeah. No bother ramp with them. Anyway, people, no know see a clown, me a clown out the thing. Me know see I want Gumbe church. I saw the thing go. You have to nice up it thing. Me not inna the politics. Me not inna it. But Jamaicans are reacting to the spiritual endeavor that Olivia Babsy Grange, the ministry of culture, yeah, and gender, yeah, and all them other things there. Before the election, them a try say she go guzo the PNP, but the PNP just sorry.
Hello, my name is Ashina and welcome to Deep Roots TV.